Hello and good evening everybody and welcome to this session on electrostatics। तो देखा होगा दोस्तों आपने थंबनेल के अंदर आज हम टॉपिक स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं दैट इज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड। आज से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की शुरुआत होगी। इट इज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग। ओके, इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट and guys, today you will get to know the basics of electric field and I promise you I'll teach you from that basic that you might not have ever thought। कभी आपने सोचा भी नहीं होगा कि इतनी जड़ से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड के बारे में बातें की जा सकती हैं। इतनी बेसिक लेवल पे हम लोग बातें करने वाले हैं। पहले मुझे ये बताओ कि अब सब लोगों का कूलम्स लॉ तैयार है। कूलम्स लॉ के क्वेश्चन बन रहे हैं। एवरीबडी एबल टू सॉल्व द कूलम्स लॉ प्रॉब्लम्स? Is that ready? Is that ready or not? Tell me quickly guys, is that ready? So guys, let us start this session. This session is going to be all about electric field. We'll start from the very basic. I'll show you a demonstration of a few problems as well and then we'll wind up this lecture. So let me introduce you myself everybody. I am Ankit Goel. I am working as a director at an academy for GATE department and I myself got AIR 1 in GATE 2 times in electrical in the year 2014 and 2018. And my friend, I was also awarded the President of India Gold Medal by the President himself at my convocation ceremony when I graduated from IIT Indore. And I have taught till now more than 1 lakh students both online as well as offline and I have a rich teaching experience and since I myself am AIR 1 in GATE exam, so I believe I am the best suited person to teach you the subjects of electrical engineering. And the objective of this foundation batch is to revolutionize the GATE preparation, is to make a great engineer out of each and every one of you. I want my engineers, I want my students to never ever hear in life that they are not good at engineering. And that is why this foundation batch was started, to consolidate your basic, to teach you the concepts that you might have missed in +2 or you might have missed during diploma. So with that objective in mind, we have started this course. And my friend, we have also started GATE and ESE batches on an academy where we are providing you many things other than just classes. There are classes by the top educators, yes. There are English and Hindi batches separately, yes. There are doubt clearing session where you can ask the educator live any doubt. There are weekly quizzes to test your understanding level. So that way, even if you don't want to, because of a quiz, you have to practice, you have to prepare, you walk in a scheduled manner. That is, your preparation becomes our responsibility. The system is built like that. Then we will have crash courses at the end and we have a rank improvement batch running right now where we are improving the rank of the students who have already attempted GATE. And previous year question, test series, and other than that there are practice question. Everything is there, my friend. You just have to take one subscription and you will get everything along with it. And if you really think you can leave your preparation to us, you can trust us and leave your preparation in our hands, then don't wait, take the subscription, just call on this number. And you can then purchase the subscription. And remember my code, because my code means that I am your mentor, I am your guide in your GATE and ESE preparation. So use the code Ankit ESE. Okay. Now let us start today's study of electric field. Let us start this topic today. Okay guys. So you might have many times come across this term electric field. Okay. You are electrical and electronics engineer. This term is actually unavoidable. Now guys, first of all, you guys tell me, what do you mean by electric field? What comes to your mind when you first hear the word electric field? The first thing that comes to your mind. आप मुझे हिंदी में आंसर दो. You can tell me in English anything that you prefer. But I want to know what you guys understand by the concept of electric field. Electric field. Okay. Soumyadeep, I have explained in yesterday's session how you can attempt the test series and previous year question at an academy. Just check out that lecture. So, let me tell you my version of the definition. First of all, I'll tell you about the field. The field is region around something. Suppose this is a pen. The region around this is the field of this pen. The field of this pen. In what way the field is exhibited? Suppose I am sitting in this room. Any person coming from that door will experience my influence inside that room. So I'll say my field is up to that point. That means the region in which your influence can be experienced. ऐसा सोचो जैसे पहले राजा महाराजा होते थे, kings were there. So they had an empire. In that empire, they had the entire control. Their influence was all over that empire. उनके साम्राज्य में उनका राज होता था, उनकी चारों तरफ पूरी इन्फ्लुएंस होती थी. तो जो उनका साम्राज्य था, that would be their field. तो field can be defined for any person, any living or non-living thing. Any living or non-living thing. So the field is nothing but a region around the body in which it shows its influence. So let me write that down for you guys. The field is a region around a body in which the body exhibits its influence. Okay, that region is called as field. Now what is electric field? The electric field, my friend, is the region around a charge in which the charge exhibits its influence. Okay, when we talk about a charge, we talk about the electric field. Okay, we talk about the electric field. Now do you understand the electric field? Similarly, my friend, when we will study about magnetism, I will tell you, if this is a wire, it is carrying a current, then the region around this current carrying wire in which its influence can be seen, that is magnetic field. Similarly, if I take this charger, then the region around this charger in which it experiences its influence, that will be its gravitational field. The field due to the mass inside this charger. So there are different fields: gravitational, electrical, magnetic, nuclear also. The region around a proton or a neutron in which there is the influence of that is the nuclear field. So field can be of different types. अब आप लोगों की लाइफ से रिलेटेड बताता हूं. अब आप लोगों में से जो लोग रिलेशनशिप में होंगे, if any of you are in a relationship, then the region around you in which your partner experiences your influence, that is your field, and that is the field of love. Okay, so many things in life can have field. Electric field is just one of them. Okay, now understanding, guys. Now the question comes, how does a charge show its influence? How does a charge show its influence? My answer to this would be, the charge applies a force on another test charge kept in its vicinity. It will apply some force on any other charge that is kept near to it, and that is how it will show its influence. Understanding, guys? Are you with me here? Are you with me? Are you able to understand this? Just tell me in the chat section so that I know that my students are able to understand. Okay. So tell me, guys, quickly. क्या हो रहा है इस कैमरा का? Guys, now I believe you must be able to see me and hear me. Okay. So let us continue. विसिनिटी का मतलब होता है उसके पास में रखा हो दूसरा चार्ज. जो दूसरा चार्ज उसके पास में अगर रख दिया जाए और वो फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस करे, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एज द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ अनदर चार्ज. चार्ज का इन्फ्लुएंस उसके पास रखे हुए दूसरे चार्ज के ऊपर देखा जाता है. ठीक है. So let me take an example. See, suppose this is a positive charge that is creating a field. Okay, and this is a small charge This is a small charge kept at a certain distance. This is a small charge kept at a certain distance. Then what you will say is, what you will say? So what we do is, as an experiment what we do, as an experiment, we place a small unit test charge near to the main charge, and find the force on test charge. Now this test charge is basically a positive charge. So now my friend, if you see, positive will repel each other. So this test charge will experience a repulsive force. If the main charge is negative, then the test charge experiences an attractive force. So if the main charge is positive, the test charge experiences a repulsive force. So here we have repulsive force, and here we have attractive force. Now my friend, the force here, as you can see, is repulsive. The force here is attractive. So how do we define the electric field? The electric field is limiting Q naught tending to 0, F vector by Q naught. That is, if you divide the force by the amount of the test charge, the force by the magnitude of the test charge, it will give you the electric field. मैंने अभी क्या बताया? एक चार्ज अपनी इन्फ्लुएंस कैसे दिखाता है? वो दिखाता है दूसरे चार्ज पे फोर्स लगा के। अब अगर उस फोर्स को आप चार्ज से डिवाइड कर दोगे, you will get the electric field. Now from here we get to know that this electric field is parallel to F vector. The electric field vector is parallel to the F vector. Okay. Similarly, my friend, if you reverse this formula, what you can say? You can say that F vector is Q naught into E vector. That is a charge placed in electric field experiences a force. A charge placed in electric field experiences a force. Now if this Q naught is positive, अगर ये Q naught पॉजिटिव हुआ तो F वेक्टर और E वेक्टर पैरेलल आएंगे, एंड इफ दिस Q naught is negative, F वेक्टर ऑपोजिट टू E वेक्टर. अब देखो ये ऊपर वाला केस देखो, we have a positive charge. This one is your positive charge. It is experiencing a force in the same direction as the electric field. This is a negative charge. It is experiencing force in opposite direction as the electric field. If electric field is to the right, the force is to the left. If electric field is to the right, the force is to the left. Okay. So remember this. Positive charge. Influence का मतलब force है. माने उसका असर दिखे, किसी चार्ज का असर कैसे दिखेगा, दूसरे चार्ज पे फोर्स लगने से। एनी चार्ज विल शो इट्स इफेक्ट by exhibiting a force on the other charge. So my friend, what I am saying, a positive charge always experiences a force in the direction of electric field, and a negative charge experiences a force in the direction opposite to the electric field. So this point we have to remember. Positive charge always experiences a force in the direction of electric field, and negative charge experiences a force opposite to electric field. Okay, experiences a force opposite to electric field. Is that clear? ईशान, अगले महीने स्टार्ट होगी मेरे भाई मैथ्स की क्लास। ऐसे चैट को स्पैम मत किया करो यार, चैट को स्पैम मत करो। नेक्स्ट मंथ से मैथ्स और फिजिक्स ऑल्टरनेटिवली चलेगा, ठीक है? इज दैट क्लियर नाउ? इज दैट क्लियर? Bikram, as such, there is no significance, but if it is a small charge, that is why the definition takes q naught tending to 0. It is a very, very small charge. Is that clear, my friend? Now what I want to tell you is, a point charge in an electric field, a point charge in an electric field, this is an important formula for EMT as well, for EMT and other subjects also like machines and everything. This is an important formula, that the force on a charge due to electric field is QE. Okay, now let us understand the electric field due to point charge. Very easy topic, the electric field due to point charge. Now guys, are you liking the depth in which we are covering everything, the level at which we are covering? जितने बेसिक लेवल पे कवर कर रहे हैं, आप लोगों को मजा आ रहा है या नहीं, ये बताओ। मजा आ रहा है इतने बेसिक लेवल पे पढ़ने में? चीजें क्लियर हो रही हैं पहले के मुकाबले? नाउ व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन? Now my friend, what is the force? What is the force? What is the force? कूलाम्स लॉ से आप फोर्स बहुत अच्छे से जानते हो, Q naught divided by Q naught. Now this Q naught gets cancelled, this Q naught gets cancelled, which means the electric field will become Q by 4 pi epsilon r square. Q by 4 pi epsilon r square. I have already told you the meaning of epsilon, right? I have already told you the meaning of epsilon. Epsilon is permittivity, which is epsilon naught epsilon r. And that is why guys, I told earlier as well, as epsilon r increases, electric field decreases. As epsilon r increases, electric field decreases. That means high permittivity blocks electric field. Now my friend, in a conductor epsilon r tends to infinity, so the electric field tends to 0. यानी कंडक्टर के अंदर मेरे भाई इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड सरवाइव नहीं कर सकती. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कैनॉट एग्जिस्ट इनसाइड अ कंडक्टर. epsilon r tends to infinity and electric field tends to 0. So high permittivity materials are those which are conductor. Okay, epsilon r is high for conductor. Now you guys will think sir is teaching, whether or not it will come in GATE. Let me tell you a direct question in GATE. In 2014 in GATE it was asked, which of the following is not a property of insulator. उन्होंने पूछा कि इंसुलेटर की कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी नहीं होगी. एक ऑप्शन था हाई परमिटिविटी. तो हम क्या जानते हैं, हाई परमिटिविटी बिलोंग्स टू अ कंडक्टर, सो दैट इज नॉट अ प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ insulator. Okay guys, is that clear? देखो यहां हम लोग acoustic, what we are studying is the electric field due to a charge. So that sort of electric field cannot exist inside a conductor. That sort of electric field does not exist. But when you apply a battery, that is a different electric field that is responsible for current conduction. What we say is, inside a conductor no charge can stay. So there can't be any electric field. Okay, any charge will try to come to the surface. No charge can stay inside a conductor. Now what is the vector form? For vector form we have to place again a charge q naught, and we have to find the force on this q naught. I have to find the force on q naught in terms of vector. So it is q by 4 pi epsilon mod rp naught vector minus, this is ra vector q. Okay, rp naught minus ra vector. Correct? This will be the force. I taught you in the Coulomb's law that we can find the force in the vector form. In that way actually I had told you that this was like this. Okay, so that is, you can expand this in terms of two vector or you can write it as a single vector. देवंजन एप्सिलॉन नीचे आ रहा है, इसको बढ़ाओगे तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड घटेगी ना मेरे भाई. एप्सिलॉन अगर नीचे आ रहा है तो अगर एप्सिलॉन बढ़ाओगे तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड घट जाएगी. ठीक है, शुभम इलेक्ट्रिकल में ये मान के चलो 95% चांस कम से कम है कि क्वेश्चन इन्हीं टॉपिक्स में से बेसिक लेवल पे ही आने वाला है, ठीक है। लेकिन मेरे भाई थोड़ा बहुत तो देखो वेक्टर कैलकुलस का आइडिया लगाना पड़ेगा। यू नीड टू नो अ बिट अबाउट वेक्टर कैलकुलस। Okay, is that clear? Now what we will write the electric field as? ठीक है, so what we will write is this will be the vector form of the electric field. Vector form of the electric field. Is that clear? Is that clear, my friend? Vector form is clear or not? Tell me quickly. Vector form is clear or not? Okay. Now we understand the graphical variation. And guys, today at 10:30 I am having a session. In which I'll explain you how you can manage your time. Okay, so try and attend that session. Okay. नीलम देखो, चार्ज फ्लो करता है लेकिन चार्ज अंदर रुक नहीं सकता। चार्ज अगर अंदर रुक गया और एक इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जनरेट हो गई तो चार्ज को बाहर भेज देगी, फिर से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जीरो आ जाएगी। बट ये सारे कंसेप्ट मैं आपको आगे कराऊंगा, मैं बिल्कुल कराऊंगा कि चार्ज एक कंडक्टर के सरफेस पे ही क्यों जाता है। दिस वी विल कवर लेटर ऑन, डोंट वरी। व्हेन आई एम टीचिंग यू समथिंग, just have faith in me. I'll cover each and everything. Okay, I'll cover each and everything. Now suppose, my friend, I have a configuration like this. This is a charge q. What will be the direction of electric field at this point? It will be away. Okay, and at this point it will be away. That means if this is x, this is minus x. So what we know is electric field due to positive charge is always away from charge. Is always away from charge. Okay. Now, this electric field at a distance r will be q by 4 pi epsilon r square. That means as the distance r increases, the electric field decreases. So it decreases like this. But in the negative x, in the negative direction, it is opposite. So it will be taken on the negative scale. मैं इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड को नेगेटिव वाई एक्सिस पे क्यों बना रहा हूं? क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड उल्टी दिशा में है। उल्टी दिशा में होने का मतलब ये दिखा दो कि वो नेगेटिव है, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड नेगेटिव है, तो माइनस वाई एक्सिस की तरफ उसको शो कर दिया गया। ठीक है, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड को माइनस वाई पे शो किया और इधर प्लस वाई पे। ठीक है, दैट इज क्लियर। इफ दिस डायरेक्शन इज कंसिडर्ड एज पॉजिटिव, दिस डायरेक्शन विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज नेगेटिव। अब अगर ये नेगेटिव चार्ज होता, अब अगर मेरे भाई ये नेगेटिव चार्ज होता, तो ये इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में क्या चेंज आता? नेगेटिव चार्ज अगर ये होता तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड चार्ज से दूर जाने की बजाय पास होती। इफ इट वॉज अ नेगेटिव चार्ज, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड विल नॉट बी अवे फ्रॉम द चार्ज, it will be towards the charge. If it is towards the charge, its value will be negative. Its value will be negative. Okay, so the graph will be just reversed. The graph will be just reversed. Okay, is that clear? Is that clear? Now my friend, we come to a next topic, that is the electric field due to a group of charges. Due to एक चार्जेस के समूह के कारण क्या इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड होती है। अब देखो, जैसे कूलाम्स लॉ में बोला था, सेम चीज मैं यहां बोलता हूं। Electric field due to a charge is unaffected by presence of any other charge. By presence of any other charge. Okay, electric field due to a charge is not affected by the presence of any other charge. तो अगर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड मेरे बंधु किसी पॉइंट पे निकालनी पड़ जाए तो क्या करोगे? सभी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड का वेक्टर सम, यू विल टेक द वेक्टर सम ऑफ ऑल द चार्जेस और ऑल द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड्स, you will take the vector sum. That is what it will be. What it will be? Let me write it down. Q1 by 4 pi epsilon Q2 by 4 pi epsilon similarly Qn by 4 pi epsilon. Now my friend, one thing that you have to take care, one thing that you have to take care is substitute charges with sign, charges with sign. Okay, if a charge is positive, write it as plus. If a charge is negative, write it as minus. Write it as minus. Is that clear, my friend? Is that clear? This is the electric field due to a group of charges. Okay. Now, let me show you a question. The question says 2-point charges. 2-point charges of 5 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb and 20 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb are separated by a distance of 2 meter. Are separated by a distance of 2 meter. Find the point on line joining them at which electric field is 0. Now try this, guys. Very easy question to clear your basic. Very easy question to clear your basic. Find the point on the line joining them at which your electric field will be 0. At which your electric field will be 0. Try this, everybody. I want to see the answers quickly. Now let me show you the solution. There are two charges. Let me name it as Q1, this as Q2. Both are positive. Both are positive. So the field on the line at any point between them will be away from Q1 and it will be away from Q2. Q1 से भी दूर की तरफ और Q2 से भी दूर की तरफ। अब अगर मैं ये कह दूं कि इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड 0 है, that means E1 is equal to E2. That means Q1 by 4 pi epsilon, if this distance is x square equal to Q2, okay, that means if you take the square root and take the reciprocal, so x is equal to 2 by 3 meter. X is equal to 2 by 3 meter. Is that clear? So now we know the position of the point where the electric field is 0. So my friend, if I summarize what we have covered today, we have covered the concept of field, or you can say the concept of electric field, the definition that it is limiting the expression due to point charge, then group of charges. We have also covered the concept of group of charges, where what I told is you can apply superposition and all the electric fields will get added. Okay, and now my friend, tomorrow what we'll do is I'll show you some questions based on this. If any of you wants to join our batch on Unacademy, where we are providing previous year question, practice question, live classes, doubt session, test series, weekly quizzes, DPP, everything, then you can call on this number. You can call on this number and make sure you remember the code Ankit ESC. If you take 1 year plan, it will cost you 22,500. 2 year plan 27,000. So that is very cheap. And you can make the payment by credit, debit card, EMI, net banking, or HDFC debit card EMI or Bajaj EMI. And again remember the code Ankit ESC. So my friend, these are some of my videos which have done very well on the channel. You can also see them for guidance, like how to improve your focus, how to revise a subject. All these videos will really enlighten you and tell you how you can prepare. And today at 10:30 I'll tell you about time management. And my friend, this is my Telegram channel. This is my Telegram channel. Here you get all the notes. And this is my Unacademy profile. You guys have to download the Unacademy app and make sure that you follow me to attend all my free classes. And these are our other channels, like this is for electrical, this is for mechanical, for civil, for SSC JEE. This is for all branches, my friend. And GATE previous year, this is also for all branches. And computer science is for CSE students. So guys, make sure that your friends subscribe to this channel, and now we will meet at 10:30 to discuss the time management. Thank you everybody.